Good morning, everyone. I'm architect Jaikrishnan Pillai, and my category in Maharana Sampark is interior design. So next, but we don't only do interior design. We are basically architects. Myself and my wife. Her name is Gargi Chatti, and my name is Jaikrishnan Pillai. I am a graduate of architecture and a master's in town planning from SATTVAM University, Ahmedabad, which is a prestigious university in the field of architecture and planning. And पीछे रखिए, मैं बताऊँगा आपको next step में. And how much time do I have? 8 minutes? हाँ, ठीक है, it's fine. And also, when I graduated, I did my first job under architect A.B. Dongre. He was 77 years, so I was blessed to have all the experience and all the wisdom he had through his practice. I had got to get it from him. Also, Gargi did a practice with architect A.B. Dongre. And after that, I went for master's degree. Then after master's, I worked with HCP DPM, which is like the topmost architecture and planning company in India, and also got to work with them in the Nagpur Smart City project. After that, in 2019, we started our own practice. In 1 year, Corona happened, and then we were a little slow, but then we picked up after Corona, of course. Next. So we operate from, this is our own home, and in ground floor we operate in a small studio around only on 200 square feet, sorry. We are a team of around 5 people, right? Next. So this is a small studio. So you can see the theme, it's an open brickwork structure, a very small space, but a creative space. So we like this. Next. Yes. So this is where we sit. Right? Next. Okay. So our philosophy, any design firm, right? We are a design firm. Any design firm is driven by a philosophy. So this is our philosophy. The words that you see drive us. So goodness, purity, creative, serene, positive. So all the spaces when we design, we look at these keywords and we tend to incorporate these things in our design, and also these govern our practice itself. So we want our practice to be pure, to be client friendly. We'll see. I'll explain our principles in detail, how we design, so that you understand when you are recommending or referring a client to us, that you know that we are responsible for the client's welfare. Right? Above all, we are driven by passion. So we are passionate about transforming people's life. We are passionate about seeing change in people because of our design. Because when you change the environment around people, it affects them. So that is what Vastu Shastra is. Right? Vastu Shastra is creating positive vibe in the building. Whatever else you know about Vastu Shastra is only belief system where it has been incorporated कि यहाँ पे करोगे तो पैसा मिलेगा. पैसा कैसे मिलेगा? वहाँ पे तुम्हें पैसा अपने आप नहीं आएगा. It is the feel that you get in that space that helps you drive and work hard. So that is Vastu Shastra. In other terms also. So to have a one-to-one about that, for that we'll have to meet. But these are the services that we give: architecture, design, interior design, urban planning management. Next. So these are our principles. So we cater to provide efficient utilization of space. So every inch and every of the space, we design it. We don't leave anything undecided. Everything is designed in the office. We don't let our customers make any mistake. So all the mistakes happen on paper. So we rectify it. Clients don't have to lose the money. All changes happen on paper. Once the design is finalized, we don't let our clients change. Even if they request the change, we tend to see that they are not in loss, right? Then cost effective. Of course, when you do it on paper, you think of a lot of ideas which can save cost. Eco-sensitive because we are a design firm which emphasizes more on natural light, ventilation, and other aspects. And all our projects We incorporate rainwater harvesting, of course, solar energy, and we use eco-friendly material. Customer obsession, because we are obsessed with our customers. We try to know what they want from the project and what their vision about the project is, so that we can work in cohesion with their vision, right? So basically, understanding the client's need gives you efficient design and also cost effective, right? And we are also, because we are a we also do project management, we also give the right advice to the client regarding the material, how much material to procure, what is the right material for the project that will save the cost, right? And the finishes, the right finishes, and of course the management part of it. So I will try to show you some projects that we have done and we are doing currently. I try to tell you the story about it. Some will skip, some will see in detail next. So this is a resort project that we are doing in Pench National Resort near Turia. So this is a 2.5-3 acre basically site. Some part is kept vacant for future expansion. But the client had come much, मतलब क्लाइंट काफ़ी बाद में आए थे हमारे पास. उनको ऐसा लगा कि वो खुद से रिजॉर्ट बना लेंगे, है ना. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो थोड़ा जंगल के बाजू में ही है वो जगह. तो मैम, हाउ मच टाइम डू आई हैव लेफ्ट? 2 minutes. सो आई जस्ट क्विकली रन थ्रू द प्रोजेक्ट. सो उनको लगा कि जल्दी वो लोग खुद डिज़ाइन कर लेंगे. तो उन्होंने जितने भी थोड़े श्रब्स पेड़ थे वो उन्होंने एक जेसीबी बुला के पूरा साफ करके फ्लैट कर दिया लैंड को, है ना. और फिर उसमें हमने फिर ठीक है, वो फिर हमारे पास बाद में आए, हमने ब्लॉक प्लान किया, फिर देखा कि हमको तो जंगल रिजॉर्ट बनाना है, जंगल का है, वो तो गायब कर दिया. सो व्हेन क्लाइंट डज नॉट talk to an expert, he will lose money because now he has to spend lakhs of rupees in landscaping. So we try to tell him that if we would have come before, it would have been advantageous to us. Next. So this is the design of the resort. This is a very unique kind of roof that we are doing in the small cottage. Next. This is a comparatively larger kind of cottage that we are designing. This is on-site photographs. It is still in making, so it is under construction. This is the small cottages that are being constructed. Next, right? So this is when we do frequent site visits. Next, this is one of the apartment projects that we are doing for a very newly found builder. Meaning he's new into buildership, and we help him guide through the project. So from sanctioning, so we also do building sanctioning. So we are guiding him to building sanctioning, design, working stage, working drawing, and execution. Right? These are some of the renderings that are being done. Next. Yes. So this is one project that we completed in Friends Colony, Carter Road. This is complete, but we have not done the photo shoot yet. So I have put the 3D model only. Next. This is one project which is coming up in Kartol. This is a ground plus 3. First is residence. Other 2 are coaching classes. Next. This is a recently completed project in Dhaba, near our home only. We did this with complete management, and it is the cost of this is around 80 lakhs with interiors. And Praveen sir has done the all the furniture. We had given to him, and we had an excellent experience with him. This is one project one farmhouse project in Khandala near Pune. So we also do outstation projects. There our visits are limited, but we do it in a way that it is properly coordinated. This is our own home residence, some interior design photos that I wanted to show you. This is my residence. You can quickly go through. This is the living room. This is the living room. This is the sofa that you see is around 30 years old. So when we moved into a new residence, we refurbished it, and we are using the same teak, the Chandrapur teak. It's 30 years old, and it has its own emotional value. So this is the living room. So next, this is the bedroom. Right, so this is the design, so quite modern and simple design that you see. Next, so this is another project in Bairamji town that we did, whose photo shoot we could complete in time. Next, we are very weak in documenting our projects. That's why a lot of projects are not documented. But this is one of the projects we successfully documented. This is a hall in GMC. Next, we got facilitated from the then Health Minister of Maharashtra for the design. So we also do layout projects, right? Commercial layout. I was talking about planning projects. So we were involved in the smart city project, and also Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. We made the strategy document. Thank you. And I want you to remember that whenever someone in your contact is developing a real estate, think about architect Jaikrishnan Pillai. Thank you.